Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be reviewing Pictory.ai, a powerful tool for creating stunning visual content in just a few clicks. If you're looking to level up your visual marketing game, this tool is definitely worth considering. In this video, we will walk you through the ins and outs of Pictory.ai and share our thoughts on its features, benefits, and overall performance. 1. What is Pictory.ai? Pictory.ai is a web-based tool that allows you to create beautiful, professional-looking visuals for your brand. It offers a wide range of customizable templates, images, and design elements that you can use to create stunning graphics, presentations, and social media posts. 2. Features and benefits. One of the main benefits of Pictory.ai is its ease of use. The tool is user-friendly and intuitive, even for those with no design experience. With its drag-and-drop interface and pre-made templates, creating visuals has never been easier. Pictory.ai also offers a vast library of images, graphics, and icons that you can use to enhance your designs. You can also upload your own images to use in your creations. Another great feature of Pictory.ai is the ability to customize your designs to fit your brand's aesthetic. You can choose from a variety of fonts, colors, and layouts to make your visuals unique and on-brand. Pictory.ai also offers a collaboration feature, allowing team members to work on a design together in real time. This is especially useful for teams that work remotely. With Pictory.ai, simply create an account and log in. From there, you can choose from a variety of templates or start a design from scratch. Once you have selected a template or started a new design, you can begin customizing it to your liking. Add your own images, text, and design elements to make it your own. When you're finished with your design, you can download it in a variety of formats, including PNG, JPG, and PDF. 4. Pricing. Pictory.ai offers a free plan that includes limited access to templates and design elements. Paid plans start at $9 per month and offer access to more templates, images, and features. Overall, we were impressed with Pictory.ai's ease of use, customization options, and collaborative features. Create short branded video snippets from long-form videos. Pictory's advanced artificial intelligence, AI, gets your content working for you by automatically extracting golden nuggets hidden deep within your Zoom, Teams, and webinar recordings. Perfect for sharing across your social media platforms. Turn scripts into jaw-dropping sales videos. Pictory uses AI to automatically create high-conversion video sales letters complete with stock footage, music, and voiceovers in just minutes. Never miss a production deadline again. Transform blog posts into engaging videos on autopilot. Breathe new life into your blog by adding video. Boost search engine rankings and watch your readership skyrocket. Add captions automatically. Increase your reach. 85% of social media videos are watched on mute. Pictory automatically adds captions to your videos, quickly, easily, and accurately. No more expensive outsourcing or wasting hours trying to do it yourself. Video creation made easy. Automatically create short, highly shareable branded videos from your long-form content. Quick, easy, and cost-effective. No technical skills or software download required. Automatically extract short video snippets from long videos. Easily and quickly extract golden nuggets hidden deep within your Zoom, Teams, and webinar recordings in multiple formats. Then easily share these across your social media platforms. Add captions to videos automatically. Automatically add captions to your videos, quickly, easily, and accurately. 85% of social media videos are watched on mute. Captions will increase your reach by 85%. Overall, we were impressed with Pictory.ai's ease of use, customization options, and collaborative features. It's an excellent tool for businesses and marketers who want to create stunning visuals without spending a lot of time or money. If you're looking to take your visual marketing game to the next level, we definitely recommend giving pictory.ai a try. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.